Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Schedule C profit and loss setup in QuickBooks step by step clearly. Open QuickBooks and log into your account. Navigate to the left-hand menu and click on Expenses. Select Vendors from the drop-down. Locate the vendor you want to set up for Schedule C. Click on the vendor's name to open their profile. Scroll down to the Account section. Next to Account Type, select Income or Expense as applicable. Under Category, click on the drop-down menu. Choose the specific category that aligns with your Schedule C requirements. For expenses, ensure you categorize them correctly, like advertising or home office. Once the category is selected, input the amount for each vendor. Review the details to ensure accuracy. Next, go back to the main dashboard. Click on the gear icon in the upper right corner. Select All Lists and then Chart of Accounts. Locate the account corresponding to your Schedule C entries. Ensure each account is set up with the correct type income or expense. If you need a new account, click on New in the Chart of Accounts section. Select the appropriate account type and fill in the necessary information. Save the new account when finished. Now, return to the main dashboard. Click on Reports in the left-hand menu. In the search bar, type Profit and Loss and select the report. Customize the date range to see the report according to your needs. Review the Profit and Loss report to ensure all items are categorized correctly. Make any necessary adjustments to the entries before running your final report. Export the report as needed for your tax preparation. By completing these steps, you will successfully set up your Schedule C profit and loss in QuickBooks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.